Okay, I got Twinkies. It's like a new pack. If I can look it up. New colors maybe. I don't know. Not bought Twinkies in a while. But I got my snacks built up, my sandwich, and my pop is looking really good. If I have another shelving next year, I could put up either my CDs on the other shelf, or I could put up like pop and stuff. But see how things go next year with shelving. I'll have it be completely paid down on my Visa, and there's about 3 left. So January should be my last one, maybe February. See how things go after that. Twinkie, 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 Twinkie. I'm doing well to talk about Twinkie. I've been putting quite a bit into my collection, so I've not been buying a whole lot of snacks before, but Twinkie Monster. Sometimes it's burnt, but good. In the past, I remember getting the Twinkies kind of dark on the bottom, kind of burnt. This one seems very soft. It's exactly like it. Maybe it's not quite cooked on the top, but it works round on the bottom. The sides don't look like they're kind of cooked like this, but pretty cool. So I have enough snacks to last a week. They have Twinkies on sale today. So I usually get whatever is on sale. The deli market, so yeah, shelving would be good. I don't have a lot of shelving, so I don't know what's gonna happen with shelving next year, but I could put snacks on, or I could put my CDs on another shelf. See how things go next year. So Twinkie, Twinkie, Twinkie. Doesn't quite look totally like the picture. Bottom's kind of cooked. This sides don't look like they're golden, but they look like plain, same as the top. So it could be cooked a little bit more, I think, but the taste is there, and the fillings are really good. I'm really glad they had them on sale, or I'd probably just buy one box. So they had the grannies on sale last time, and those are now, the Twinkies are on sale, so I guess something else each time. But that should pull me through the last 2 weeks. I still have enough for one more pop run and one more pack of Twinkies maybe, or chips, and then that's it, last week. Then I got my basic sandwich. So yeah, I have to buy the bread myself, so, and sometimes family has something, but not very often, nothing good, so I have to make myself my dinner. And I'll have Pringles coming up soon, so I got enough pop to outlast the 2 weeks, plus I'll have a little bit extra in case. Usually cola, they go pretty quick, So see how things go with the snow. So might have to switch over to something else that's more powder, but see how the snow comes. What happens with the slush and the crap and other shit winter coming. How many Twinkies are there? 6. So 1 Twinkie a day. Might be sometimes 2 Twinkies, I don't know, but that's why you need extra snacks, extra cookies, because the day is long. Thanks for watching. Hope you have some good snacks, and yeah, storage will be helpful here. But I don't know, my family sucks. They don't buy nothing, so I have to buy it all myself. But anyway, thanks for watching.